Hey, I'm Steve. I'm in my garage. I'm getting ready to install some more Craftsman Versatrack. I've already used a bunch in my garage, but I'm getting ready to put some on this wall, so I thought I'd make a quick video and show you just how easy this is to install. So the first thing I do is I just want to locate where my studs are, and once I find a stud, I mark it. So I'll mark 2 or 3 of those studs. That's the first thing, because that's where I'm going to drill my screws through the Versatrack and into the studs. What I use to install these are these 1 3/4" just anchor head bolts. I screw these directly through the Versatrack and right into the wall stud. It's real simple. I grab my cordless drill and that's what it's going to look like, and I'm just going to bore those right through the Versatrack. Once you have your first bolt in, the rest are easy because you've got your studs marked. So you simply just level it out and put the rest in. Let me also say this, when you're putting those lag bolts in, if you're only able to hit 2 or 3 of the wall studs, that's fine. The Versatrack's not going anywhere, so 2 or 3 per Versatrack, you're good to go. Now, because the Versatrack is basically tongue and groove, all you got to do now is just stack it, put 3, 4 more lag bolts in, and just keep going up as high as you want. And you can start at the top, move down. It was just more convenient for me on this particular job to start here and go up. So there's the finished product. It only took a few minutes to install, literally. Once you get the first board, you can boom, boom, boom. Now you can start adding all of the Versatrack accessories. Craftsman makes a lot of these. This is the reason I got this board, due to their accessories and needing it for my garage organization. So if you're looking at the Versatrack, I hope you found this video helpful.